Janice G. Valen is a Filipino actress, commercial model and television host who was a GMA Network contract artist. She later returned to ABS-CBN via Budoy. Janice G. Valen was born on 9 November 1968 to Philip Elegant D. Valen and Cynthia Susan Jimenez Yap. She has a younger sister Jelly who is also an actress. At the age of 9, she became a newscaster for News Watch Kids edition. She got her biggest break from the same channel when she got the lead role in the soap opera Flor de Luna, a top-rating and phenomenally successful TV soap where she played Flor from 1979 until 1984. When she momentarily quit showbiz to continue her studies, currently she is back with ABS-CBN to do some television series. Janice rejoined showbiz after a short break, returning to TV with the soap Jessie and the early evening variety show The Big Show Friday edition on CT2. In 1982, Janice was partnered with Gabby Concepcion via the movies Puppy Love and Home Sweet Home. What started as Real Love Team became Real later. Janice was also known for her relationship with Aga Moonlag, who has produced a love child, and her tumultuous relationship with now ex-husband John Estrada. She was considered the 80s teen drama princess alongside the late Julie Vega, whose soap Ana Lisa provided stiff competition to Flor de Luna. The two TV rivals co-starred in a number of 80s movies, mostly produced by Regal Films. She returned to the world of TV in soap in 1985 with Andrew Amor and Don Camota de la Mancha, both aired over GMA7. Her transformation from a teenage star to a serious actress started in 1989 when she top-billed Mina Films' Rosenda opposite erstwhile boyfriend Gabby Concepcion. In 2001 to 2010, after her separation from Estrada, she hosted the now defunct popular morning talk show She's also on GMA7 with sister Gayle G. Valen and their friend Carmina Villarroel. In 2011 to 2012, she starred and won public admiration anew in the critically acclaimed TV series Budoy. In 2016, she moved back to GMA to appear in Destined to Be Yours and My Korean Jagia. In 2018, she returned to ABS-CBN and was casted in The General's Daughter and Sino Ang Maisala Mia Kalpa.